Here's how to use the Switch audio converter to convert any audio file you want to a different format. Once I've launched Switch, look at the top left-hand corner and choose Add Files. You want to navigate to the folder containing the files that you want to convert. In this case, I want to convert an AIFF file to a WAV file. Once that file has been added to Switch, we want to choose where the file is going to go once it's been converted. The easiest way is to choose Save to Source File folder. If you make sure this option is clicked, the converted file will go into the exact same folder as the original file. Now we want to choose what output format the audio file is going to be converted to. So in the output format box, click on this, and in this case we're going to choose WAV file. Then we want to choose encoder options to make sure all the settings are correct. Encoding, we want PCM. For the number of output channels, match source is usually fine, but if you'd like to convert it to other channels, you need only click on this box and you can choose mono, stereo, or any other surround options. Sample rate, make sure you choose 44.1, and for sample size, at a minimum, use 16 bits. After this, click OK, and we're ready to convert. Now, click on the Convert button in the bottom right-hand corner, and we're done. If we look at our original folder where our AIFF was, we'll now see that there is also a WAV file. Now you can also do more than one file at a time. If I remove the original file that we were converting and add new files, I'll navigate to a second directory where I have an AIFF and an MP3. I can select all of these files and have different files of different formats loaded in at the same time, and I can convert all of them at one time. In this case, I'm going to have them go to a folder of my choosing, so I'm going to uncheck Save to Source File folder and then browse to a new folder that I'd like these to go to. In this case, I've made a Converted Files folder. Choose that folder, click on Convert, and when we look at the Converted Files folder that I made, we'll see now that there are WAV versions of the original files that I had before. And that's it. That's how you use Switch Audio Converter.